bikes sound like this? Do you do shitty tricks like this? Well, not anymore. When you use the new bottle, it makes your bike sound like a motorbike. Hence our annoying add-on. Also happens to be the co-host, but there's no replacing me. Unfortunately, she just wanted to be on this. Look, it now sounds like a motorbike.
Oh, because
Do some of your awesome tricks now, Marshall.
Just imagine doing it with motorbike.
How about you do that trick again, Marshall? There's just a truck in the way, also known as a ute, quite common around this area. Anyway, my friend, also the stunt devil, Marshall, is now going to do an awesome skit. That one clearly sucked. Now do you want to see me? You don't?
All you
Anyway.
need is a Coke bottle or a can and an old bike.